Pair of secure speaker wall mounts. 2 high-quality universal Vogel's wall mounts for bookshelf speakers or studio monitors up to 20 kilograms 45 pounds. Universal compatibility. Precisely adjustable clamps enable you to mount speakers from 72 to 300 mm, 2.8 to 11.8 inches deep without screwing into your valuable speakers. Swivel and tilt for the perfect sound. You can tilt your shelf speakers by 15 degrees and swivel 45 degrees to the left and 45 degrees to the right for an optimal listening experience. Designed for quick and easy installation. The pre-assembled wall bracket includes all mounting materials. High quality. Made of high-quality, powder-coated steel for stability and durability. Attached foam padding prevents scratches. Plastic covers for an elegant design. Top reviews from the United States. Very heavy-duty versatile mounts with good wire management. I'm actually impressed with the quality, but sadly I'm returning them for a couple reasons. First, they are not inconspicuous by any means and therefore didn't meet with spousal approval. Secondly, the way they clamp to hold the speakers should work well for most speakers, but I was concerned about them possibly damaging my speaker grills. I didn't consider that the images show speakers mounted without grills. I could have removed my grills, but then I was losing the subtlety of the speakers melting into the room decor. Really liked the 90-degree swivel so they can be mounted on the sidewalls and swung in towards the room. I'd highly recommend these mounts to 95% of buyers. They are way better than options that are half the price, but just wouldn't work well in my room.